back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your space today. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are just coming by for the first time, you are welcome. Subscribe as well. Still on Sliver Reed knitting machine series. So today I just want to share with you how to knit slip stitches with Sliver Reed knitting machine. Slip stitches with Sliver Reed knitting machine. So this is what we have the last time with same card 2. So this is what we have the last time on Sliver Reed knitting machine. So this today I'm going to use same card to do slip stitches, and I'm going to do slip stitches with one color, and I'm going to do another one with two colors. So just let's get started. So right now I'm going to put all the setting in order. This is where it's supposed to be at 2. Then the triangle here have to be at triangle side, at both side. This at both side. Then I'm going to release my card because I'm doing single color slip now, and I'm going to push this to this place. I just want you to see it here, to this place. You can see the point here. So I'm going to push it to that place and and start to knit with card 2. So let's see. Sorry about that. Let's see how it's going to be. Put your row counter in order. If you have to use row counter, then let's knit. As you can see, what we have after knitting some few rows of slip pattern in one color is just a kind of texturized design with a yarn connecting to each other. So, and it has a little design that you can just read out of it. So in slip pattern you use the in slip pattern one color, you use the back side, the wrong side of the project as your front side, because at the front side there's nothing happening here. So it's here that have a texturized pattern that you can use as your front side, right side, I mean. So you can see how perfect it is. So right now I'm going to knit some few rows and go back to plain knitting, then put my card on hold on and knit few rows so that we can see how we can do two color slip pattern. So let me just do some few rows so that we can compare the two together. So this is it. You can see how perfect it is from the plain knitting. You can just see how beautiful it is. So right now I'm going to introduce my second color. So guys, I'm stepping into two color slip pattern with card 2 right now. So I've already knit 4 rows in my second color I want to use, and you know your card have to be on hold on. Card 2 have to be on hold on permanently. On this you have to be on hold on this. So I've already knit 4 rows of this color, so I'm going to remove it. You are going to be alternating the color in four rows. You are going to be knitting 4 rows and alternate the color. So right now I'm going to introduce my first color back, then make sure all the setting, the side lever, the front side of it have to be in normal setting. Then I'm going to go back and change this knob to slip pattern setting. Meanwhile, my card is on hold on. You can see it's on hold. It's not going to be rotating. So I'm going to knit 4 rows right now. So as I earlier said, I'm going to change and knit 4 row in plain. So this setting is so different. So I'm going to grab the second color and change it back to plain knitting and knit 4 rows with tattoo. 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to change back to slip and still leave my card on hold on throughout the knitting. Then remove this, introduce the second color and knit 4 row as well in slip stitches. One, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go back, put it back on plain, then knit 4 row of this. So let me just do more and see what we have. Let me knit few rows more, see what we have. So guys, you can see what we have after knitting for 4 rows by interchanging the colors and interchanging the knobs from selecting slip pattern and plain pattern after 4 rows each. And you can see what we have at the single color slip pattern, the texturized type of slip pattern, same tattoo. So we have different effect of tattoo in 3 places here. This is the first video that I did, and this now is this and this. The same card too can give you different variation of pattern by putting some setting in order. So I hope this video have helped you a lot, and I want to say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and inform your friend about my channel that a lot is going on. So maybe by next video is going to be on Sliver Reed knitting machine, how to do tucks pattern. So I'm going to put in use a good card that you can see different variation of the pattern of the card. So please try to practice this and maybe put it on, use it for one of your projects. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.